My name is Ekalavya Das, and I'm going to show you how to insert these cool photos into the cells. So for example, here we have Ravindra Swarup Prabhu. So we open a tab, we type in his name, Ravindra Swarup Das, there he is. Go for the images. You want a headshot, that's good. This one looks nice, so we take that one. We save image as. I'm going to put it right on the desktop, no, on the downloads. I'm going to call it Ravindra Swarup Prabhu. Save. Okay, and then we go back to our sheet. And we go insert, image over cells, and then browse and downloads. There's Ravindra Swarup, open, and it's gonna come. Here it comes. There it is. So now we drag it from the corner, make it the right size. That's pretty good. Going in the cell, go to the front of his name and make 7 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, give it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. And now drag, that's good. And now drag this in. Yeah. Yes. And there it is. Make it a little smaller. Drag in the corner. Yeah. And that's looking nice. And that's how to do it. The Google Sheet, it'll save everything automatically. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.